Okay, folks, I have a 2005 Toyota Echo. I'm gonna do an oil change. First thing you need to do, pull your oil cap off. Helps it vent a little faster, helps the oil drain out. Yeah. I'll shut this hood down, so raise it up in my hoist. So the tools you'll need for this job are well, if you're lucky enough to have a 901 filter wrench. I bought that kit from AliExpress. I think it was 70 bucks. It fits every vehicle. It comes in handy. 1/2-inch drive on it. Here is your filter right up here. If not, you can probably use a filter wrench or whatever. And you need a 14 mil wrench. Probably take, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. This one actually holds like 7 point something liters, so it might take a little longer, but yeah. Let it drain. When that's done, put your plug back in, pull out your filter. If your filter is... Remove oil filter. Make sure gasket comes off with filter. Replace with a new filter, lower the vehicle, fill oil to specified amount.